Today, I'll teach you how to see who has blocked you on Facebook. Facebook doesn't provide you like a feature. You can just click a button and it's going to show you all the people that has blocked you. You can see who you have blocked, but you cannot see if other people have blocked you. There is like couple of ways you guys can do in order to figure out if you were blocked or not. Let's say you think that one of your friend has blocked you. What you can do is just click on the search icon at the top and search for the person's name. Make sure you write the correct name of the person, and after writing the correct name of the person, and you search for it, and you go on versus people, and over here, it does not shows you any result. Okay, it is showing me the result, but it is not showing me my friend. Who am I looking at? So if you know the name you typed over here is correct, and even after typing the correct name in Facebook, if nothing is being shown, then that is one way you can figure out that you have been blocked. And the other thing you can do is go on friends, and over here at the top, click on the search icon and search for the friend's name. And if you search for the friend's name and nothing comes up over here, or random people's Facebook profile comes up, but your friends does not, then you can know that that person has blocked you. Because if somebody has blocked you, then you cannot look into their profile, or you cannot see what they have posted. You cannot call them or anything. Alright, this is the way you guys can identify if somebody has blocked you or not, but you need to search your friend's name individually. It's not going to show you the list. That is it on how you guys can do it. So if you guys have any question, ask me in the comment. I'll see you guys in my next video.